How to connect a Spotify to a Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to connect a Spotify to Facebook is you have to firstly click on the setting gear in the top right corner, and then when you click on this, then you have to scroll down. So you have to scroll down, and then you can see the option the connect to Facebook. So you have to scroll down till you see the option connect to Facebook. So you have to again click on the connect to Facebook, and when you click on the connect to Facebook, then you come to this page, and then here it is saying that allow activity from a Spotify to stay connected to your Facebook account. So you have to allow that allow this permission to connect the Spotify to Facebook. So you have to click on the continue button in the bottom right corner, and after that it is loading, and then you can continue as you can edit access, or you can choose your account, and then you can click on the continue as your uh, username, Facebook username, and now you have connected your Facebook to a Spotify. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.